Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, Surah Al-Zumur, chapter number 39, verse number 41, that the book is delivered to thee, that is Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in order to instruct humanity. So the glorious Quran, it is not meant only for the Muslims or only for the Arabs, but the glorious Quran, it is meant for the whole of humanity. And today we see in the international media, there is virulent propaganda about Islam. The media, it is bombarding misinformation about Islam. Whether it be the international news channels, whether it be the radio broadcast stations, whether it be the television channels, there is virulent propaganda about Islam in the international media. The media is bombarding misinformation about Islam. And there was an article published in the Newsweek magazine on the 16th of April, 1979, in the span of 150 years, from 1800 to 1950. And it mentioned that no less than 60,000 books were written against Islam. At least one book is written against Islam every day. After 9/11, this has reached epidemic levels. Every day, several books are written against Islam. And if you want to become famous, write a book against Islam. This is a common strategy that is used by many individuals. In order to become famous, in order to become popular, they write a book against Islam.